Good morning, children. This is Standard 3, English. Please
Good morning,
open
ma'am.
your main course book. Open your main course book. Page number 28. Page number 28. Today, we will solve the textbook grammar from the poem My Big Fat Cat. In the previous classes, I explained the poem to you, and everybody enjoyed the poem because it was about a cat and about a child who did not complete the homework given by the teacher. And the next day, when the child goes to school, when the teacher tells the child to submit the homework, the child gives many excuses. And what was the excuse? The child tells the teacher that she has a pet in the house. And what is that pet? The pet is a big fat cat. She describes the cat in front of the teacher. She gives a full description of the cat, about his appearance, about his looks, about his food habits, about his nature, and she appreciates the way he is at home and she is happy to spend time with him. And in the end, the child says that she could not complete the homework and submit it because she says accidentally she put the homework book in the her pet cat's plate. And he's so fond of eating food. He loves to eat everything. And so, accidentally, her homework fell into his plate and he must have eaten up that. So, this is a lame excuse where all children give to the teachers when the teacher in the previous class gives them homework. When the child does not complete the assignment or homework given by the teacher, and when questioned by the teacher to submit, the child makes stories. So, this is a beautiful poem, My Big Fat Cat, where the child gives excuse about the cat and does not complete the homework. At times, even you children do the same thing. You don't complete your homework, and when the teacher tells you to submit the work, you give excuse saying you went out of station, you had relatives, you had function, you went to your village, you were not feeling well. So these are all the excuses that children give when they don't complete their work. So the poem explanation part is over. Today we are going to solve all the grammar part that is there after the poem. So children, open page number 28. Page number 28. Take a pencil and eraser in your hand. Page number 28. About the text, below that, read and answer. Read and answer. Exercise A. Choose the correct options and fill in the blanks. Choose the correct options and fill in the blanks. The cat is big and dash. The cat is big and fat. Put a tick on the word fat in the bracket and write in the space given F-A-T, fat. The cat is big and fat. The second one, he can win dash shows. What can he win? He can win talent show. and tick the word talent in the bracket and write the word talent in the space given. Talent. Talent. He can win talent shows. Third one, he couldn't dash to save his life. So the right word there is run. Tick the word run and write in the space given RUN, run. He couldn't run to save his life. Fourth one, the cat eats just about everything. Tick the word everything and write in the space given. EVERYTHING. Everything. The cat eats just about everything. Fifth one, his favorite room is the dash. His favorite room is the kitchen. 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 His favorite room is the kitchen. I hope all have completed exercise 8. I will repeat it one more time. The cat is big and fat, F-A-T, fat. He can win talent shows, TALENT. The cat, he can win the talent show. Third one, he couldn't run, run to save his life. Fourth one, the cat eats just about everything. 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 And the fifth one, his favorite room is the kitchen. 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 The second part, read these lines from the poem. Read these lines from the poem and answer these questions. It's a talent, I suppose. I am sure if he keeps at it, he would win the talent shows. I repeat, it's a talent, I suppose. I am sure if he keeps at it, he would win the talent show. These are the statements from the poem. Below that, there are 3 questions which we have to answer. Who is the speaker talking about? Who is the speaker talking about? Children, write. The speaker is talking about his pet cat. The speaker is talking about his pet cat. About whom is he talking? Who is the speaker talking about? The speaker is talking about his pet cat. Second one, what talent is being talked about in these lines? What talent is being talked about in these lines? What kind of talent did the cat have? He was good at eating. The talent is he was good at eating. You have to write there. He was good at eating. So eating was his talent. Third one, how can this talent make him win talent shows? The answer is if he continues his habit of eating, he can win the talent show. If he continues his habit of eating, he can win the talent show. The cat was very fond of eating everything and he was very good at eating. So if he continues or if he practices the habit of eating, he would win the talent show. He would win the talent show. Page number 29, children. Page number 29. He couldn't run to save his life. He couldn't run to save his life. Yes, he isn't much fun. The poet says he couldn't run to save his life. Yes, he isn't much fun. So below that, there are 3 questions again which we have to answer. Question A. What does the line he couldn't run to save his life mean? Question. What does the line he couldn't run to save his life mean? It means he has grown very fat and lazy. The answer is he has grown fat and become lazy. He has grown fat and become lazy. The answer is he has grown fat and become lazy. The second one, why is he not much fun? Why is he not much fun? The answer is why is he not much fun? Because he is not active. The cat is not active. He eats and sleeps. The cat is not active. He eats and sleeps. That's why he is not much fun. The speaker says he is not much fun because he is not active and he eats and sleeps. The third one, why does the third one, do you think the speaker likes him? Do you think the speaker likes him? The answer is yes. That's why the speaker talks about him. Yes, comma, that's why the speaker talks about him in the sense about the pet. And who is the pet here? It is the cat. Have you completed, children? Have you written or should I repeat one more time?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I repeat? Should I repeat, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First one, it's a talent, I suppose, I am sure. If he keeps at it, he would win the talent shows. The question is, who is the speaker talking about? The speaker is talking about his pet cat. Second one, what talent is being talked about in these lines? The talent that the cat has, that is good at eating. The cat is good at eating. How can this talent make him win talent show? If he continues his habit of eating, he can win the talent show. If he continues his habit of eating, he will win the talent show. Page 28, 29. The second one, he couldn't run to save his life. He couldn't run to save his life. Yes, he isn't much fun. Question A, what does the line he couldn't run to save his life mean? He has grown fat and become lazy. That is why he could not run. He has grown fat and become lazy. Why is he not much fun? Because he is not active and he does not play or he sleeps all the time. Third one, do you think the speaker likes him? The answer is yes. That's why the speaker talks about him. Yes, that's why the speaker talks about him. Now this part is over. Section A, choose the correct options and fill in the blanks is over. Section B, read these lines from the poem and answer this question is over. Now go to page number 30. Page number 30. Turn the page number 30. Exercise A. There are rhyming words given there. Choose rhyming words from the box and fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. Fill in the blanks. Choose rhyming words from the box and fill in the blanks. So the first one is done for you. You can see a yellow colored box there where a set of rhyming words are given. So we have to choose the right word and complete the fill in the blanks. So the first one is sun and we have to choose another two rhyming words from the box and complete it. Similarly, sun, tongue and fun. These rhyme together. In the same way, we have to complete the remaining rhyming words. So the second one is plate. The second one is plate. Now we should search in the yellow color box. Now which word rhymes with plate? The word that rhymes with plate is gate, Gate, gate and sight, Sight. Plate, plate, gate and sight. Plate, page number 30 it is. Page number 30. Plate, gate, 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 gate and sight, Sigt.
Ma'am, straight, not side.
Yeah, you can write straight also there. It rhymes with that word side. You can write straight also. Okay. There are two options given children. You can select both. Straight, straight. Okay. Third one, shows. Now which word rhymes with shows? Grows and crows. Shows, grows and crows. GROWS grows, GROWS grows and CROWS crows. All got it? Third one, shows, grows and crows. All got? Third one all got? Fourth.
They have not given growth. They have given growth. Crows and growth.
Finished? Fourth one. Children, I will repeat. I will repeat. You take down now. I will repeat. You take down now. Okay? Fourth one. Y, W-H-Y. Y, die and fly. Y, die and fly. Fourth one, Y, die and fly. D-Y-E, die and F-L. You don't talk in between. Gunte, just listen. I will repeat, I said. You are disturbing everyone. Y, die and fly. All got it? D-Y-E, die and F-L-Y, fly. Fifth one, should. Fifth one, should. Could and would. Should, could and would. C-O-U-L-D, could. C-O-U-L-D, could and W-O-U-L-D, would. Fifth one, should, could and would. And the last one, might. Might, bright and sight. Might, bright and sight. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. And the second one is sight, S-I-G-H-T, sight. Children, page number 30, the rhyming words. I repeat again, check whether if you have written it correctly. If not, erase and write again. Okay? First one, sun, ton and fun. First one, sun, ton and fun. Second one, plate, plate, gate and straight. Plate, gate and straight. Third one, shows, grows and crows. Third one, grows. I mean to say the first word is shows, shows, grows and crows. Fourth one, why, die and fly. Why, die and fly. And the fifth one, should, could and would. The fifth one, should, could and would. And the sixth one, might, bright and sight. Might, bright and sight. All have completed? Have you completed, children? I repeated 2 times. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next one. The next one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with words of your own that rhyme with the underlined word. Mariam wanted her plane to fly very dash in the dash. There is an underlined word there, fly. Now we have to write 2 rhyming words which goes with fly. First one, Mariam wanted her plane to fly very dash in the dash. What can we write there? Fly very dash. What word will come?
Eye in the sky. Mariam
Mariam
Very high in the sky.
Very good. Mariam, pay attention. Mariam wanted her plane to fly very high. H-I-G-H, high in the sky. S-K-Y. First blank, first blank write high and second blank write sky. Mariam wanted her plane to fly very high in the sky. Second one, the mouse, the little mouse had a big dash. The little mouse, the little mouse had a big house. H-O-U-S-E, house. H-O-U-S-E, house. The third one, the bird sat swinging and dash in the tree, singing. The bird sat swinging and singing in the tree. S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. And the last one, Sumit's car did not go very dash. Far. Sumit's car did not go very far. So I repeat the fill in the blanks with rhyming words. First one, Mariam wanted her plane to fly very high in the sky. Second one, the little mouse had a big house. The little mouse had a big house. The bird sat swinging and singing in the tree. The bird sat swinging and singing in the tree. Sumit's car did not go very far. So children, with this we have completed the textbook grammar of the poem My Big Fat Cat. And for homework, page number 30, activity time. Write there HW. HW you write, that is for your homework today. Write HW. And what is today's date? Today's date is 25/8/21. So today's homework, you have to complete this small activity given in your textbook. How do you think the teacher, would have replied to the speaker? Tick from the options given below. There are 5 given there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is very simple. Read the statement and according to you, if you have a pet, and what would be your opinion on this thing? When the teacher is asking you question, you tick. If it is correct, you tick. If it is wrong, you put a wrong. So this is your homework on page number 30, activity time. Write homework, HW and today's date. So with this we complete the poem My Big Fat Cat. In tomorrow's class, we will start with chapter 5. In tomorrow's class, we start with chapter 5, Ammachi's Brilliant Traps. So tomorrow we start with the new lesson, lesson 5, Ammachi's Brilliant Traps. So with this, we come to an end of the poem